Assalamualaikum to Sir Nurul Halim bin Hassan. We are from Group 1, are going to explain about 6 thinking hats. Our project title is Diabetic Patient Healthcare. Next slide. Okay, this is our team member. My name is Nurul Amy Wardina binti Rosli. My metric number is B0822102232.
My name is Nur Elisha Fizana binti Sharifuddin. My matrix number is B0822102227.
My name is Nur Afrika binti Muhammad Hazri. My matrix number is B0822100470.
My name is Nur Dina Sofia binti Yusuf. My matric number B0822101005.
My name is Muan Aina Zahra binti Abdul Kasidik. My matric number is B0822100056.
I'm going to start with introduction. 6 thinking hats is a way of investigating an issue from a variety of perspectives, but in a clear, conflict-free way. It can be used by individuals or groups to move outside habitual ways of thinking, try out different approaches, and then think constructively about how to move forward. The six thinking hat approach was created by Edward D. Bono, a Maltese physician, psychologist, and philosopher. He used it in his work advising government agencies, but he also wanted it to be a practical tool for everyday problem solving. Next slide. Okay, six thinking hack for decision making. The six thinking hacks technique gets you to look at the problem in 6 different ways. It takes you and your team beyond any instinctive position so that you explore a range of perspective. That way, you can carefully consider each one without having to argue your case or make snap decisions about what is right and what is wrong. Next, I'm going to pass the slide to Alicia to explain more.
Thank you, Amy Wardina. Right now, I will explain about black and blue hats. For black, represents critical thinking and cautious judgment. Next, it involves identifying potential risks, weaknesses, and obstacles, considering potential problems, and highlighting areas of caution. For blue, it manages the overall thinking session, set objective, establish the agenda, and guides the application of the other hats. Lastly, the blue hats ensure that the thinking process remains productive, organized, and on track. Next is for medical device manipulation. John wirelessly alters the performance of smart medical equipment like a smartwatch to monitor his respiratory and exercise level. A continuous glucose monitor, CGM, will report his glucose level to the health monitoring company, which is HMC. For situation, John is a black hat hacker, which is his target, a smart healthcare system that links communication networks, medical devices, and also patient information. I will pass to the next person, Sophia.
Thank you for the explanation. So I'll go to the yellow hat. The yellow hat represent optimistic thinking and focus on the positive aspect, benefit, and value of the ideas and proposal. If the black hat is all negative, this yellow hat help us to think positively. It's an optimistic view that help us see all the benefit of the decision and the value of it. Thinking through the yellow hat help us to keep going when doing this project when it seemed like a bleak and difficult. Okay, so the improved patient monitoring, wearable gadget that monitor the patient joints, representation, respiration, and exercise level. The data from this device will be sent to his health and monitoring company, which is HMG. This makes it possible for healthcare professionals to access patient data in real time, helping the early identification of health condition and prompt action. So next for the green hat represent that mode of thinking associated with creativity, innovation, and generating new ideas. When wearing the green hat, individual or group focus on exploring alternative, brainstorming possibilities and thinking outside of the box. The team suggests building a smartphone application to view John Vital. The application might include interactive elements such as John can monitor his vitals on his device, a smartphone, smartwatch, tablet and television. So next.
Okay, I will explain you about the red and white hats. For the red hat, signifies feeling, hunch, and intuition. When using this hat, you can express emotions and feelings and share fears, like, dislike, loves, and hates, without the need to justify and rationalize them. For the white hat represent factual and objective thinking. The white hat is to process the gathering of information that is known or needed and analyze the available data, facts, and trends. Okay, for the situation, for the red hat, emotional manipulation. Kate used her knowledge about individuals' emotion and medical conditions to manipulate their emotions. Kate's intention is to influence people's decisions in favor of fostering fears, getting anxiety, or mistrust of the healthcare system. For the white hat, cybersecurity hacker. As a knowledgeable employee, Sarah is employed in a healthcare institution. Sarah has to evaluate and improve the security mechanism in that place to protect all the patient's pieces of information and the reliability of their system. Thank you.
Now I will talk about conclusion. Overall, this six thinking hat method offers several benefits. This six thinking hat method and smart healthcare are two different ideas. When we use in their respective field, it can be extremely effective tools. By applying this six thinking hat method, healthcare organization can approach the implementation of smart healthcare technologies with a comprehensive and balanced perspective, considering multiple factors. This method can help identify potential issue. Then, the structured thinking process offered by this six thinking hat can guide the exploration of smart healthcare. Combining the six thinking hat method with smart healthcare, one could apply this approach to problem solving in the content of healthcare innovation and technology. Thank you.